Mythical creatures. Are you a fan of the Harry Potter books and films? J.K. Rowling, the author, uses a lot of weird and wonderful creatures from mythology in her stories. Let's take a look at a few of these mythical creatures and where they came from. Centaurs were half human, half horse. They were from the mountains and forests of central Greece. They were wild, dangerous beasts. But there was one centaur, Chiron, who was friendly and clever. He was an astronomer and a famous teacher of medicine. In Harry Potter, the centaur Firenze saves Harry's life. He later becomes a teacher at Hogwarts, Harry's school. The phoenix was a beautiful red or purple bird with a long golden tail. It was from India and Egypt. It could burst into flames and could be born again from the ashes. Its tears could heal someone's wounds. Harry Potter's life is saved by a phoenix's tears. The chimera was a weird Greek mythical creature. It was really odd-looking. It had 3 heads from 3 different animals. At the front, it had a lion's head. In the middle, it had a goat's head. And its tail was a snake. It was terrifying. It could bite like a lion and breathe fire like a dragon. We don't really see the chimera in the Harry Potter series. But in the Battle of Hogwarts, a chimera appears in a fire. What other creatures are there in the Harry Potter stories? Which one is your favorite? Which is the scariest?